That's the gorgeous Indian Springfield. I'm in Forestburg, Texas. I always stop here at the Forestburg Country Store. Today was a burger day. Fueled my belly and I'm ready to ride. Gorgeous day today, 80 degrees weather. Enjoying this beautiful day in Texas. Here in a minute. Put this really cool brake light on my helmet. It helps with visibility. It lights up. Lets the person behind you know you are slowing down. I believe it's got a gyroscope in there that allows people to know if you're slowing down or braking. Well, safety first, all the safety you can have. Never ride without proper gear and a helmet. Going to start the bike for you guys. Well, it's not a cold start because it's already been about 50-60 miles I've been riding, but this bike has got a beautiful sound. It's still pretty nice. I've got the Shark Road aftermarket exhausts on the bike. Sounds pretty nice. Louder at the cold start, of course. One thing I can tell you about the Springfield, no heated seat required. It's an air-cooled huge twin 1812cc 111 cubic inches. There's a lot of heat. Do not need heated seats. Indian, if you're listening to me, do not need heated seats on this bike. But yes, you definitely need heated grips. That being said, let's head out. I'm going to gear up. Be careful here. It's all countryside riding. But still got to be careful. My YouTube. One thing about riding in the countryside, you can see all these, not junkyards, but they've got old classic cars piled up. If you're looking for a classic car, a barn find, I guess, if you want to call it, look at that. This guy had a car that I really liked a long time ago and it's gone. But there's some beautiful classic cars rotting away in these yards, not barns, but yards. The Indian is performing beautifully, smooth. Got the automatic heated seat thing going on. Though this bike does not have heated seats, but the seats are hot. Great to ride in winter, not so great in summer. People wonder how fast do you ride. To me, it's not about riding fast. It's about enjoying the ride. It's not about reaching the destination. It's about the journey. And I ride back roads in Texas because I don't like to ride in city traffic.